wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best geometry kits for students. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Those in need of just a couple of tools for math class might like the Maped Helix set. It comes with a compass with a locking mechanism that can secure its legs and help ensure your drawings are precise. The tip retracts when it's closed and it can draw up to 12-inch circles. However, you can't choose which color you get. At number 9, all the pieces in the waremew math set feature light blue accents, and the shatter-resistant iron case provides a fitted slot for each tool. This is a very budget-friendly choice, but the ruler doesn't have inch markings, and the colored protractor is hard to read. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Westcott 15420 includes a double brake leg compass that can secure your pencil when drawing on vertical surfaces. This makes it a good option for circles, arcs and curves in math classes, art projects and drafting. It comes in at a good price for the quality. However, the protractor is small and the plastic container isn't very durable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for geometry kits for students, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Meetus geometry kit comes in an oval-shaped case made of plastic with fitted pockets for each instrument to help keep them organized. It includes 0.7mm lead, though it is much shorter than traditional kits. It comes with a cap to cover the sharp tip and a reusable pouch, but the container is somewhat flimsy. Moving up our list to number 6, the Maped Helix study set includes 10 instruments, such as a protractor, a pencil, spare lead, and a few other pieces useful for any geometry class. It also comes with a ruler that shows both inch and centimeter markings. It features a pencil sharpener and is compact for easy storage. However, it's not the best quality. Halfway up our list at number 5, the staedtler school kit comes in a neoprene zippered case with space to hold other writing utensils up to 8 inches long. The compass doesn't lock in place, though it's stiff enough to draw neat circles. It sports an elegant blue design and includes extra pencil lead, but it is more expensive than other choices. At number 4, the staedtler 557 is a sleek and simple design that includes the essentials for drafting, such as a 30 and 60 degree square ruler, as well as a number and alphabet stencil with both upper and lowercase letters. It's also available in a 2-pack and made from durable metal. It features a metric conversion table. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Helix Oxford set comes with 9 pieces, including a high-quality latex-free eraser, a lettering stencil, and clear rulers with both metric and imperial markings. They're packaged in a slick metal tin with a tray that helps to keep everything organized. There are 5 color options, all with a timetable sheet. It's a vintage-inspired design. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for geometry kits for students, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Ferocious Viking case is a 16-piece option with a wide variety of instruments you might need for school. It features a durable canvas bag with a zipper to keep everything in one place. It includes a lockable compass that can hold long writing utensils. It's all made with high-quality materials. And coming in at number 1 in our list, the Mr. Pen Geometry package features just about every instrument you might need, including a protractor with a swing arm that simplifies drawing and measuring angles. This is an affordable option with a mechanical pencil and a clear plastic pouch. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for geometry kits for students, or simply click beneath this video.